Hello everyone, can you see this? These are my Jasmine collection. I got it from my garden. I got I think almost 10 days collection it is. So I normally keep this all flowers. After braiding it, I keep in this plastic box. So you can see that underneath that I keep tissue paper so that it won't get spoiled faster. So normally this yellowing of this flowers is the main problem happens with this flower. So it dies, actually it stings also. So you can see this. So this is the almost comparatively the first day flower. So what I do normally is I pluck flowers in the early morning, and daily I have to braid it. So I love doing that. Even the plucking the flowers is also kind of a meditation for me. So as the first activity, once I gets up, I do this. I already posted one video last year. So this is my time pass now. So you can see some yellowing happened in this bunch of flowers. So again you can see that this is the maybe because I keep it in the fridge in an airtight container. So sometimes this temperature may be differing, right? So it may be the cause of for that yellowing these flowers. So see, you can see that by seeing and touching and smelling you may enter in a different world only. So they are more than like maybe more than 10 meters or something. I collected almost it's almost 10 days now. So I'm trying to show you all because I'm making this as a video because I can also see after so many years, then I may wonder like these many flowers from my garden. So I love to document that. So that's why I'm showing you. You may also maybe liking it. So it's not ending. It's you can see these are fresh flowers comparing to the previous ones. So you can see that it's white in color. So when I pluck this flower, that may be really tiny ones. It may not bloom. Because normally by evening only this flower get bloom. So since I am plucking in the morning, it may be like tiny buds. So after few days it may start blooming. It won't be like the real big one. So it is actually difficult to make this braid, but still I love that. But after that in the noon and all, I won't be able to pluck that because lot of traffic may be there. Because in my one of the shots I have shown that that plant the base of this jasmine plant. So I planted that in my the outside of the wall where I stay. So almost I completed. So today also I did the braiding. So early morning I did this video. I'm shooting in the afternoon because when I was talking to my mom, she wanted to see that. So I thought of documenting it in as an YouTube long video. So I'm posting this long ones after a long time. So not a problem. I'll be making the long videos very soon, because I'll tell you the reasons why I'm not making and all in that video. So this is my collection of jasmine flowers. So see you soon. I'm so happy. All the best. Yeah, bye.